Did you know the average cat spends up to half its life licking itself clean, yet still needs your help to stay healthy? That's right. Even the most independent cats need human hands for brushing, nail care, ear cleaning, and yes, sometimes a bath. Let's start with the fur, a cat's pride and joy. Cats naturally groom themselves, but regular brushing helps control shedding, keeps skin healthy, and prevents hairballs. For short-haired cats, use a soft bristle or rubber brush once a week. Long-haired breeds like Persians or Ragdolls. Every day's the way. Brush gently in the direction of growth and never tug mats. Use a detangling spray or mat splitter instead. Next, let's tackle those tiny daggers, claws. Indoor cats especially need trims every 2 to 4 weeks. Press the pad gently to extend the nail. Trim only the clear part, not the pink quick. If you nick it by accident, a little styptic powder or cornstarch stops bleeding fast. Now for those adorable faces. Ears. Clean, light pink ears are healthy. If you spot dark wax or smell something odd, that could mean infection or mites. Use a soft cotton pad with cat-safe cleaner and never push anything deep inside. Eyes. A bit of clear discharge? Totally normal. Just wipe gently with a damp cloth. But if it's yellow, green, or crusty, or your cat's eye looks red or swollen, it's time for the vet. Alright, the question every cat owner dreads: do cats need baths? Usually no. But sometimes, yes, if they get into grease, sticky messes, or have skin issues. How to bathe your cat safely. 1. Use lukewarm water. 2. Use cat-safe shampoo only. 3. Avoid the face. 4. Lather gently. 5. Rinse well. 6. Towel dry in a warm spot. Stay calm. Use a soothing voice and wrap them in a towel right after. If your cat really hates water, try a waterless shampoo or pet wipes. The goal? A clean cat, not a trauma story. And yes, dental care matters too. Over 70% of cats have gum disease by age 3. Use a cat toothbrush and enzymatic toothpaste, never human toothpaste. Start small and reward often. Clean teeth equals a healthy, happy cat. So there you have it, your complete cat and kitten grooming guide, backed by science and love. It will keep your cat healthy and give you some of the best bonding time ever.